So guys, for the first method, you're gonna head it with search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're gonna head it with search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you're gonna scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. See if that works. For the next method, you're gonna head it with search and type in wsreset.exe. Click on it, which is now gonna clear the Microsoft Store cache. See if that works for you. For the next method, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the last method, you're gonna head it with search and type in Microsoft Store. Now you're gonna click on app settings. And then once you're on this, you're gonna scroll down and then click on terminate. Now you're gonna click on reset and then click on reset again. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just wanna restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.